essential oils, Pendulum, health. What do they have in common? Well, let me tell you. A couple of months ago, I gave a webinar about how to use the pendulum. And one of the ways to use it really is because it's a way to more easily and physically talk to your unconscious mind, your subconscious. Personally, I use it to create some of my health products, or beauty products. One of them, body cream. So every time I might use neutral body cream, and then look at all of my oils. I have about 50 bottles of different oils, and it's very subtle. It's a very subtle therapy because you don't need too much. A couple of drops depending on your needs. It's what is required, absorbing through the skin, and it gets easily to your bloodstream and to wherever it needs to go. Every single oil, they have an array. It's like a buffet of benefits, just like herbs. It's like a buffet. And then when they mix, they enhance some of those properties for each other. Also, your body will take what it needs at that moment. That's how intelligent it is. Yes, you might think, how does it know? Well, it knows, right? So today, what I'm going to do really is I already tune in with myself a little bit to understand what do I need now, so I can support it with the essential oil through my body cream, and I will be applying that every single day. So as an empath, and I will talk about it in another video, I work a lot, like it's always a thing working with my digestive system, with my solar plexus. So actually today it came really, I need support on my reproductive organs, the stomach, and something around in my head, mostly stress. So for a full-time job in the office. So what I will do, and really, I've already been working with the pendulum for 9 years probably. I love it. It is, as you get used to and get to your answers, etc., it's you get to work with it faster. One of the things, quickly, I won't go in detail, and I have already like a almost 2-hour long video that you can check on my YouTube page. It's really to understand what it means to you to talk with it with your yes or your no. And you have to be very direct on the question. So, are we connected? That's my yes for me, right? So I have here about 50 bottles of different essential oils. And what I will do, all of this, I don't make all of the comments or the questions out loud. Some of them, sometimes I just really think about it. And, I already have a practice on it. But I will, it could be as really go through all of them one by one to understand which one is for me. Most of the times, it always gives me three, right? So they work together, those three. And then the procedure is really to know how many drops of each. Now, this is not an aromatherapy class or anything like that. For safety, I don't use the oils directly on the skin or taken internally. I know there's a lot of information and debates out there. Personally, what I learn and how I feel comfortable is everything has to be diluted, and less is more sometimes, right? So you don't need, not because you're doing a liter or something, you need to put half of the bottle. It all depends on the need on the moment. So, and also when I give now, this year actually, this from June onwards, when I give my sessions, I will give, for the person, I will support with some cream and work this same magic. So if you are interested in some of my therapies, the deep healing intuitive session, it comes as a gift to give you, to create your own cream for supporting of whatever you're working at, right? So these work very subtle at the inner level, at the emotional level, and less is more again. So let me quickly go through this. So is it in this row? That's my no. Is it on this one? No. Is it on this one? No. Now here, is it this one, right? So I'll go one by one. My no. No. Do I need that now? No. And as I get here, look, I do need this one. It changes. And I'll go a little bit quicker. You sit in this row. Yes, so that's a yes. So then I just go one by one. This is my next one. No. Yes. And I think the rest will really just be no, but I sit in this row. I sit in this row. I sit in this row. So that's just how I do it. It's kind of easy or quicker. I could have gone through all of them. And again, working with the intuition, now that I have them, honestly, right now, just there's numbers that pop up in my head, 2, 5, and 6. So I just confirm in the way I received them, right? In the way they were given to me, I just confirm with each of them. So let me just go back one by one. The numbers I got was 2, 5, 6. So do I need 2 drops of this? Do I need 10? Okay. Do I need 5 drops of this? Do I need 15? And do I need 6 of this? Do I need 2? Right, so that's how I do my mixes. It's very quick, and it is what my body needs right now, and it's away from my unconscious to tell me. Honestly, right now, I think I don't even need to do this sometimes. It just pops in my head, and I listen to that, right? So quickly, I'm going to tell you, because of the first connection that I did, so fennel, the first one was fennel, and that is really for digestive and anti-inflammatory and for feminine health. So lemongrass as well for pain relief, stress, antimicrobial. So there goes my head. And lemon, it's also digestive. It is skincare. And actually, it's funny because this is also for energy boost with it makes sense as well for me, and skincare for wrinkles. So now that I know the drops, I put in. Some of them flow faster. Well, that, my friends, is what I do to get to a product that's personalized to me, that's customized. It only took, obviously here it took longer, but if you have any questions, and remember, it comes as a gift with any of your sessions starting June onwards. And if you have any questions, pop in the comments or send me an email or check my website. Have a wonderful day.